I was sent this 9-foot pool filter hose and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here it goes. Here's everything they're going to send to you. Came in a large box. This is a 1.5" diameter hose with the fittings on each end. And as you can see, it's a very flexible hose. It's got a corrugated out exterior, so that way you're able to flex the hose however you need. Depending on your pool equipment, you may need to have this higher or lower than where your inlets are. So this is going to be able to be flexible and move wherever you're going to need it to be. It's got the threaded caps here, so it's going to make a nice seal, connect onto your pump, water feature, filter, whatever you're going to use this for. And like I said, make sure you're taking measurements, 1.5" diameter and a 9-foot length. That should probably meet your needs for a lot of out-of-ground pools and other pools that need extra equipment. So, hey, I hope this video was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this 9-foot by 1.5" exterior pool hose. Hope this information was helpful, and as always, I hope you have a great day.